Welcome to My Skill 360. In this video, let's explore Canva, the easiest way to design anything, from posters to presentations, social media posts, and more. Canva was founded in Australia in 2013 with a simple idea, to make design easy and accessible for everyone. Today, Canva is used by millions of people around the world, students, teachers, professionals, and content creators, all creating amazing visuals in just a few clicks. With Canva, you don't need to be a professional designer. Its drag and drop tools, built-in templates, and AI-powered design features make creating professional designs effortless. You can design logos, brochures, resumes, invitations, videos, and even YouTube thumbnails, all in one place. Canva also offers collaboration features so teams can work together in real time, from anywhere, using the web or mobile app. Whether you want to create for work, study, or fun, Canva helps you bring your ideas to life in minutes. So get ready to learn Canva step by step. Our design journey starts now.
Let's explore the Canva home page, your starting point for every design. On the left side, you will find the navigation panel with options like Home, Projects, Templates, Brand, and Apps. This panel helps you move quickly between your designs, store projects, and Canva's massive template library. And here is the most important button, Create a Design. Clicking it opens a list of formats like poster, presentation, video, logo, and many more. You can even enter your own custom size for complete flexibility. Once your design is ready, look for the share button at the top right. From here, you can share your design directly through email, invite others to collaborate, or generate a link. You can also download your design in multiple formats like PNG, JPG, PDF, or even as a video. Canva instantly shows hundreds of beautiful templates, whether it's a poster, invitation, or any other design you are looking for. For example, when you type poster, it displays a wide range of poster templates ready to use. Scroll down a bit and you will see personalized recommendations and your recently used designs. Canva automatically suggests layouts based on what you have created earlier. Super helpful when you are working on similar projects.
These are the details of the event we'll be using to create a poster.
The details include the title, date and time, audience, venue, and resource person information. We will use this information to design the event poster.
Log in to your email ID. Type canva.com in the browser and press enter. On the Canva home page, go to the Templates section and select Poster. You'll now see a wide variety of ready-made templates. Select a template that best suits your event and click Customize this template. Now the design editor opens and you can start personalizing it. Begin by entering the institute name organizing the event.
The text option in Canva lets you add titles, subtitles and body text to your design with just one click. You can customize the font, size, color, spacing and effects to make your text stand out beautifully.
To include images or photos, use the Upload Files option. Here, I'm uploading the institute logo and adding it to the design.
Once added, you can resize, crop and move them around to perfectly fit your design layout. You can also change the font size and color of the text using the text toolbar. This helps you highlight important words and match your design's overall style.
Next, I'll drag and drop the photo of the resource person. It automatically fits into the placeholder in the template. From the Elements option, search for and insert icons for date and time.
You can easily resize and position these icons wherever they fit best on the poster. These small adjustments make your design look more professional and visually balanced. You can apply the same steps to other icons such as location or contact symbols to maintain a uniform design style.
You can easily adjust the font size, style, and color as needed. Now I'll enter the remaining details like audience and venue. Once the poster is ready, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then select Download. You can choose from several formats: JPG, PNG, PDF print, or PDF standard. I'll choose JPG and click Download. You can print this poster or share it as a soft copy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more about Canva.